in a bad shape and I lost my twin son.
That's okay, Florence. We're gonna do our best to help you keep the house.
I don't know what to say. So much
You don't have to cry.
Hey everyone, Milos here with Rudan Brothers. We got an email from a son of a 97-year-old woman whose home was literally falling apart. The city had given them a bylaw order telling them they have just 20 days to start making changes or the city will send their own contractors, charge the family, and put them at risk of losing their home. When we heard that, we knew we had to step in. So we showed up and took the entire project completely free of charge. We tore off all the old roof, installed new gutters, fixed up the fence, and even cleared out the overgrown trees and the bushes. This was a massive job. We spent 2 full weeks working every single day from morning until night, and it turned out to be one of the most emotional moments we ever had. So be sure to stay until the very end of the video to see the full transformation and reaction of a 97-year-old Florence when she saw her home completely finished. And if you haven't done already, hit that follow button. It's the best way to support the work that we do. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this emotional transformation.
Milos.
Florence,
Oh, sweetheart.
Florence.
Thank you so much. Give me a big hug.
Wait till you hear the news, Mom.
Of course, not you.
She knows.
I love you. I love you. Was not you, I wouldn't have that. I couldn't afford it. I love you very much. I'm so happy.
Florence.
I'm so happy. Thanking you a million times. Give me a big hug. Give me a big kiss. Let me kiss you. I love you.
We love you, Florence.
I
It
love
was a
you
pleasure
so
to do this for you.
Everybody coming.
And Florence, just so you know,
Coming seeing you.
Thank you.
So
Florence,
glad.
we had a lot of neighbors. Florence, we had a lot of neighbors driving by, seeing all the work we did,
Oh, and they said that.
and they are so supportive.
Yeah.
And a lot of them are asking what's the situation with the house on the inside,
Yeah.
and they want to make a donation and help you guys out. Also fix the house from the inside. So we
The inside.
too?
inside, yeah.
Oh
A lot of
my
people from the community, they're
Hey.
stepping up. They wanna. So we're gonna set up a GoFundMe for you guys
Oh my God. Oh, thank you so much.
to help you because we saw there was a lot of damages there.
See, you can get your rail.
Thank you, all of you.
Yes.
Oh, but God is with you too. You deserve it. You're so good. You worked so hard. And thank you.
We haven't felt anything. It was our pleasure helping you out.
In